So we have spent 4 days in a storm. We've been offshore. Kristen's half asleep.
It's too early.
Where else have we been? We saw whales. We had some champagne. We saw a grand final at the Grand. We had some espresso martinis. You don't want to talk much this morning, do you? Are you hungover?
No, you just warm me up, baby.
Did you get a bit of sun? Don't show too much there. Whoa. Anyway, we had a lovely time.
You lathered me up in Sorbeline last night.
Anyway, we had a lovely time.
It was wonderful. It's always wonderful.
See ya. Guess what's going on?
We're just about to take off again.
Kristen's in her seat, and what is it? You're not even moving yet.
We're not even moving yet, and I'm so excited.
She's ready to go. She's strapped into the race chair.
Yeah. Can we go? Can we go?
Can we go? Can we go now?
Sé que tú estás arrepentida por los momentos que perdí al lado tuyo. Solo contigo, mi amor. Extraño tus labios y tu mirar. Piel morena hermosa, olor de mar. Oye, costeñita, te voy a besar al frente de la playa, qué buen lugar. Momentos tan ricos para recordar. Es que todo contigo es tan real. Hay cosas que no se pueden contar, que a los suegros no le van a gustar. Enamorado de ti, solo en la playa. Vestirnos, baby, te quiero decir. Y yo no te olvido, mami, nunca te olvido a ti. Y mírame a los ojos que se me nota lo que siento al verte. Dame la luz.
So what's going on here?
Master Chefy.
How do you open the window? I don't know. I'll come and do it from the outside for you. You're getting a bit hot and sweaty out there.
His favourite? Chicken schnitzel. With beautiful mayonnaise on twisted Turkish. Pretty nice, huh?
She does a good job.
Mira, que lo más bueno es lo que no se espera. Soy tan feliz de que sea la.
So what's going on down here?
I'm having some Kristen time.
Are you comfortable down there?
I'm so comfortable.
Are you? Sure.
So nice.
All right. Well, you enjoy your Kristen time. Would you like me to close the curtain? What is it? Is that an audiobook you're reading?
No, I can't tell you the title.
Oh, okay. Well, you enjoy. This is a hard place to pull up for the evening. What you doing there, hon?
Tidying up.
You look like you're making a mess.
I'm not making a mess.
You're making a mess.
I'm tidying up.
Yeah.
You caught me in my jammies.
She's cleaning the anchor like a good girl. Okay.
I'm a good little Brady assistant.
Have you cooked me something?
Always do.
What do you want? Look at this for breakfast. Just as we're about to go across the bar, I've got lovely breakfast.
We're going to go check out where we're going surfing next time.
So Kristen and I are having a really serious argument. Can you hear her laugh?
We never have serious arguments.
No, we are. We're having a very serious argument over who's going to drive Sanuye back in the seaway across the bar.
Well, I'm in the driver's seat right now.
She's in the driver's seat. Should she drive this one?
With my morning coffee.
Does that look like a morning coffee? Let's have another look at it, shall we?
There is coffee in it.
I think that might have had some bubbles in it at the start, and it might have had a little touch of Kahlua as well, maybe. Anyway, we'll see how we go. I will allow her to drive the boat through the seaway.
It's a really dark patch ahead of us. What do you think that might be?
Maybe go around it. Be a good idea.
Do you reckon that's a bait ball? Look at the size of it. It's very dark. And it's
Move
moving.
around. We're moving
It's
around
actually
the bait.
moving.
Yeah.
Seriously, look at that big dark patch. See the dark patch?
Walk those seaways.
Maybe I will. Alone. Believe me when I tell you. Ooh, I never, don't ever leave me alone. Okay, wait for this. When you told me. You didn't need me anymore. Oops. Well, you know, I nearly broke down and cried.
So we've had a lovely morning, caught a few fish for a nice lunch fish salad. We're heading south again now, seeing we've got the grand final and some wind this afternoon. So who knows where we're going to end up, but we just thought
Grand final day.
it's grand final day and we'd roll with the tide to wherever the tide takes us. What do you think about that?
I don't know. It's too early in the morning. It's too early for me.
It's too early in the morning for Kristen. It's not that early, it's 8 o'clock. Oh. Anyway, enjoy. Are you making espresso martini?
You caught me.
What do you got over there? Oh, you're preparing. It's a bit early for that, isn't it, baby? Do you need espressos to deal with me at 8 o'clock in the morning? Or is that for later?
I'm not even going there. You can see how hard it is for me in the mornings. It takes me a little while.
Just a gorgeous morning.
Laps,
You're going to do some swimming.
I'm going to do my lap.
You're going to catch some fish with your teeth. Are you? So Kristen is swimming against the wave break current with fins on and hardly getting any ground. Long way back, baby, isn't it? Even with fins on.
It's like 2 minutes.
against that current, eh? So I guess you could say we're kind of settling into this, hey Kristen? What do you reckon?
I'm in my happy place, believe it or not.
Oh, yeah?
This is so rare for me to be so.
Look at this piece. This lovely woman's cooking up now.
It's
Oh
pretty
my
good.
God. Got champagne over there in the corner.
You missed breakfast.
We have knocked a couple of glasses of champagne over the weekend. It's always my fault. So we have spent 4 days in a storm. We've been offshore. Kristen's half asleep.
It's too early.
Where else have we been? We saw whales. We had some champagne. We saw a grand final at the Grand. We had some espresso martinis. You don't want to talk much this morning, do you? Are you hungover?
No, you just warm me up, baby.
Did you get a bit of sun? Don't show too much there. Whoa. Anyway, we had a lovely time.
You lathered me up in Sorbeline last night.
Anyway, we had a lovely time.
It was wonderful. It's always wonderful.
See ya.